Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Wells Fargo bank account. If you'd like to enroll on online banking for your Wells Fargo, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's proceed further. Open up a web browser and in the address bar at the top, go ahead and type in www.wellsfargo.com and press enter. As soon as you reach to the official website of Wells Fargo, if you already have an account, you can quickly log in by entering your username and your password into the text boxes appearing at the left-hand side corner and click on Sign On to log in. But if you'd like to enroll since you've not yet, click on the Enroll button at the top. Now, you'll need to type in some of your information. Type in your social security number into the first text box that you see. You can also type in your individual taxpayer identification number. Type in any one of them. If you don't have any of these numbers, then you can check this box right here and follow the on-screen prompts. Now type in your account number, your debit card number or your loan number in the next text field. If you don't have any of this, then you can check this box right here and type in other additional information, for example your date of birth and then your last name. After you're done, click on Continue and follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to enroll for a Wells Fargo online banking account. That's all for today. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.